Okay, so on Janet, we're going to do a hair and scalp analysis. First thing I'm going to do is analyze any hair loss that she would have. And really Janet's come in just more as a preventative, so we're not really seeing any hair loss on this. So on my analysis here, we're going to give her a good for that. Now what we're going to do is use our microscope to check Janet for her scalp status. And the picture will show up on the screen here. We'll take this picture and we'll save it. Now, what we're going to do is compare Janet's scalp through our computer to see what condition her scalp is in. Janet's a little bit flaky, a little bit of dandruff. So I'm going to find a picture that's comparative to hers. So that's kind of the condition that she has, is kind of a dandruff issue. Okay, next one I do is hair density. And this is one to check for hair loss. Typically people have 120 hairs per centimeter. And we will count these and see where Janet's at. Okay, so sometimes, like here, she has 2 coming out of 1. But every time I see a hair coming out from the root, we're going to count these. So basically, and we may have missed a few when there's hair overlaying, she's at 120 hairs per centimeter, so that's a good average. Some people are going to have 60, 70, then there's signs of more permanent hair loss. Next, we're checking for keratin buildup on the scalp. So keratin basically is dandruff, dry skin. Janet has a little bit compared to this picture, kind of the same. So the other thing is that every time we do a comparison, you're going to get a result 1 through 5 stars. This, because it wasn't perfect, she got a 3 on this. If someone had 60, 70 hairs, they might get a 1 on the hair density. Next one, we're kind of checking for redness here. See if she has any scalp issues with that. Okay. And what we're always comparing, we have other pictures here. Some are more red. Everyone has a little bit of pink in there. Hers is just slight. So we're going to compare it to that. 5 stars for that. Hair thickness, this is when we check the diameter of the hair. Some people going through hair loss, you're going to see smaller diameters. So here our computer will measure. This one's a little skinnier. That's a 37. That's a 70. She only has a few smaller ones, so I'm going to keep the 70, which is a fairly good diameter of hair. So she got 5 stars on that. Now when we're done with our analysis, we'll get a report. Hair loss status, women, she's good. 2 to 3 thick hairs grow from each hair, which is good. Hair density was good, 120. Now on the chart here in the middle, that's good. Out here are things we need to work on. So here she has the status of the scalp, the hair pore, these are ones. And then our computer will actually come up and show you what product or what scalp treatment is necessary for what's going on. Does it for that. We'll do it for the other. We'll show which recommended product that we would use. So we would recommend a line of treatment for her. Basically, it's more of an oily and dandruff scalp. And what we'll do is we'll save this, and after she does her treatment for a few months, we can always come back and reevaluate it.